Watch that airplane slowly fade out. It's slowly fading out. Either it's a high-tech government hologram or a government cloaking device in progress. Now you see that plane, and then eventually you won't see it. It'll slowly fade out. Boom, gone out. It literally disappeared. Just like that other plane that disappeared. Unlike the ones I recorded, if it went for the chemtrail or contrail, you wouldn't know it was there. It would in the air flying. Especially if they drowned out the sound.
No one lays a finger on your butterfinger. Thank you. So dispatch says we're gonna have to wait an hour for another vehicle.
Do you have any idea how much I hate you right now?
That's not fair, okay? We were responding to a call and
It'll slowly fade out.
Oh, no.
Now you see the plane, now you don't in midair.
Come on, you can continue berating me on the walk back to HQ.
Wait, what?
But it'll slowly fade out. Or it went into ion warp drive.
I said it was gonna take an hour. But why stand here and waste time when we can walk there in 30 minutes, jog in 15? Well, you got something against exercise?
Who in the right mind would exercise in this heat?
Boom, gone.